All right, 6.2, example 2, not in your book, but it's very similar to the one in your book. And it is saying that find the coordinates of the circumcenter of triangle DEF, and these are the points. We need to find the circumcenter of that triangle. What I'm going to do first is graph the triangle. So let me get my axes here. That's X, and this one's Y. And let's put some points on here. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 4, 6. -2, -4. Okay. D is at 6, 4. Remember, it's X, Y. So X is 6 and Y is 4. So I'm going to find that point. Mark it D. E is at -2, 4. Mark it E. F is -2, -2. Ha! Isn't that a beautiful triangle? I did that without rulers. Nah, whatever. Okay, we have our 3 lines. Or segments, I should say. We have our triangle. Now to find the circumcenter. Oh, by the way, I'm dressed for Hawaii Day or whatever. Forgot my hat. But someday I'll go to Hawaii. To find the circumcenter of this triangle, we have to use perpendicular bisectors, and where they come together, that's the circumcenter. Okay? So, when you have a vertical and horizontal, it's so easy to find the middle of them to draw your perpendicular bisector, because a perpendicular bisector goes from the very center of each segment and at a right angle, okay? And when they're perfectly up and down or side to side like that, they're very easy. Sometimes diagonals, if they line up just right, they're pretty simple to find the middle as well. So let's take ED first. And it is 8 units long. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Half of 8 is 4. So we're just going to go over 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this right there will be about the middle of it. And we're going to come down, and that makes a 90-degree angle. It also cuts this and this into equal segments. Now the up and down, EF. That one's easy to find because it only goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's 6 units long. Half of 6 is 3, so we're only going to go up 3. 1, 2, 3. So here, I'll make my line, and we're going to bring these so where they touch. Okay, so that's at a right angle. This is congruent with this. And they're touching together on FD, on that line. At point. This point here is 2, 1. 2, 1. Okay, I'm gonna label that one C for circumcenter. Now to double, that's the answer. That would be the circumcenters, 2, 1. I want to show you an additional thing. It's the midpoint formula to test to make sure that that is correct. All right, and the midpoint formula will help me find the center of a segment. So we're going to do FD. The midpoint formula, capital M for midpoint, is you're taking x2 plus x1 over 2, y2 plus y1 over 2. Now, remember, this looks like a coordinate, huh? X's and y's, x comma y. And now we're just going to use that formula to find the center of FD. Now, it doesn't matter which one you choose to be 1 or 2, because you're adding. So x2, let's just say it's 6. plus x1, negative 2. So 6 plus a negative 2 over 2, comma, y2 is 4 plus a negative 2. I'll try to not make it go at an angle. Let me bring this down a little bit for you. Okay, 6 plus negative 2 is the same as saying 6 minus 2, which is 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 4 plus negative 2, 4 minus 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Does that match? It does. Okay, now you know how to use the midpoint formula. You know how to find the circumcenter using graphs and coordinates.